Hi guys, welcome back to OD Simulation Gaming. Hope you are well. You join us, we're on Construction Simulator, guys. Let's check it out. We've got to get in this there goes a bit of thunder and lightning there. So we've got to drive this six-wheeler, guys. It's an MAN rigid six-wheeler, as you can see. And it looks like we've got a crane on there, a Powfinger crane. It's a PK27002SH. By the looks of it, we can actually open and close the drop sides as well. There we go, look guys, for ease of loading. So let's just close those back up if we can. There we go. And yeah, let's hop in, guys. It's obviously a left-hand drive vehicle, so we'll jump in the cab. Here we go. Right then, so we're on the tutorial. Press square and select the light to turn on the headlights. So let's do that. Headlights are on. Right then, guys. Here we go. Not sure if we can actually get into the cab here. Oh, here we go. Change camera perspective. Open the context menu and select camera. Here we go. Interior. There we go, guys. Right, we're in. Let's get cracking. So it's 4 o'clock in the morning in the game, and it looks like there's been a storm. And I would imagine we're going to need to clear a road, perhaps. So let's go and do that now. Not sure there are any indicators on the game. Whoopsie. I think perhaps there are indicators, but I'm not too sure what the control is for putting those on. Maybe we'll figure that out as we go along, guys. Meanwhile, there's a bit of fallen debris there, a few tree branches down. And again there, guys, on the road, look. It's definitely been a windy day. Okay, guys, we've arrived. Looks like we are here. So, we've got to go and turn on the mobile generator. So, let's go over here. Well, whoops, sorry, wrong way. The mobile generator's here, guys. Let's switch this on. Turn on the generator. Let there be light. Here we go. The landslide has to be cleared off the road. With the wheel loader, this should be done in no time. Okay, guys. Let's hop over to the wheel loader. It's a Cat 950M. Here we go. So these are suitable for loading large quantities of bulk materials such as soil, gravel and sand. Properly aligned, the bucket of the wheel loader is suitable for clearing, flattening and spreading bulk materials. Right then, guys. Let's give it a go. Just change our camera again. Get us on the drive. Here we go, guys. That's better. Okay. Now, is our bucket full, guys? Let's have a quick look from the outside. Yep, that looks full to me. So let's reverse up And it looks like we need to put the soil over here in a great big pile. So let's do that. Hopefully we emptied that out okay. Let me just hop back to exterior again. Yeah, we got most of it out by the looks of it. Let's just drive up here and just chuck a bit more out. Right guys, that's that done. You have to forgive me, I'm getting used to these controls. Right. Let's get that camera view back inside. There we go. Let's lower our bucket. There we are. Okay. Not entirely sure how many scoops this is likely to take. But you're getting the idea, guys. Right guys, I'll keep clearing the route and we'll see you in a second when the route's cleared. Okay guys, we have moved the earth now. Give you a quick look. We've now got a clear path here and we've moved all that earth over to here. Now our next task is to go back and speak with Hape. So let's do that.
Now the roadway is open again on half sides. Well done. However, our mission does not end here. The refrigeration system at the local supermarket has failed. There is a mobile generator on the loading area of the flatbed truck. We have to get it to the supermarket as quickly as possible so that the refrigeration can be restored and the food doesn't spoil. I'll see you there.
Okay then guys, so we've completed that job. We got 25,000 credits and some experience points. Our next task is to hop back into our 6-wheel MAN vehicle with the generator on board. That's been preloaded for us. And as we can see, the road is now clear. Let's hop in guys. And we're going to get going again. It's an interesting little game, this, isn't it? Have you guys played it? Tell me what you think. Have you played it on... in fact, sorry, I'm too busy talking. I've missed our turning. Yeah, have you played this one before, guys? On PS5 or on computer or Xbox? Do let me know. Right, guys. Here we go. We're here. Okay, let's move this to function mode, guys. So, change mode. Okay, so we've parked the flatbed crane. And we now need to transport some of the load by all accounts. So let's change our camera view. Here we are, guys. So what do we do now then? Tell you what, let's hop out the vehicle. Just figure this out. We're going to place the generator here. So let's drop our sides. There we go, guys. Now, what is the expectation of the game? How do we operate that crane? I'm imagining... No, none of those. Right, let's hop back in the cab. That's in drive mode. Right, guys. Let's just read this. To extend the crane hook, both booms must be fully raised with left analog and right analog. Rotate the base with indicators made on the ground to help guide the crane hook. Okay. Hey guys, it looked like we just managed to... There we go, look. Right. There we go. This is not easy to steer at all, guys. Okay, there we go. That was very difficult to do, guys. I'll tell you that for absolutely nothing. That was... The controls here are not easy at all. Right. Turn on that generator. Let's go and speak with Hape.
The lantern has torn the roof and must have damaged some lines in the process. It needs new cladding. First, lift the lantern out of the roof and then drive to the local building material dealer to pick up the required parts. Come on, let's not waste any time.
Okay then, mate. You've said it. Right, the nearby construction site has a tower crane we may use. You can use the crane to lift the street lamp off the roof. Right then, let's whiz over to this rather large looking crane. He's very trusting of us, isn't he? We've Done no work for him before, but OD Simulation Construction is here to save the day. And by the looks of it, we've got to grab that great big light off the roof. So let's just see if we can swing this round. Somewhere there we want. So how do we lower? There we go, guys. Okay, guys, we are now on. So we're going to do a controlled lift. We're going to try and bring that. That's wobbly in the wind. Okay, guys. Looks like we need to be very, very, very subtle with the controls. Wow, that's not easy at all. That'll do. Right. That's that part done. We now need to hop back into our truck, which is there. Lost my bearings there for a second. Let's get back in. Let's put that back into drive mode. There we go, guys. Right, builders merchants then. It's telling me to go that way, but I wonder why I can't go forwards then. Let's change our camera again. There we go, it's rerouted us now. Right. This storm's obviously done an awful lot of damage. Oh, better park it up properly, I suppose. Don't want to do half a job, do we? There we go. Very nice steel forklift there. Looks like we've got a pallet of roof tiles. And some... looks like some membrane or something like that. Let's just, before we do anything, let's just drop the sides of the vehicle. There we go. So we're ready for loading. And we've now got to hop into the forklift. Okay. Put some lights on. And we can, by the looks of it, put some beacons on. There we go, guys. That looks good. Right. Change that view again to the interior. There we go, guys. Let's get our first pallet loaded. See if we can do this correctly. If you've ever driven a forklift before, certainly not the easiest things to drive. Definitely failed there. Let's get those fork tines right in that void there. There we go, guys. So that's now on. Looks like it's an electric forklift. It's pretty rapid. Right, we'll put this at the front. There we go. That's now on board. Excellent. Whoops. As I say, guys, this has to be so precise. Nope, didn't like that, did it? Just sort the angle of the forks there. There we go, we're underneath. Put this at the back, just over the rear axle. It'll just help us distribute the weight better on board the vehicle and make sure we're compliant with our axle weights. There we go, guys. So that's our time in the forklift done. We can now hop back into our truck. We can close our sides up. And by the looks of it, the game isn't too fussed about us securing our load unless it's done it for us. So we won't worry too much about that, and we will carry on back to the job and go and get our pallets of roof tiles and vapor retarder, it's called. There's a car there, look. Just overtake him because we're in a big rush. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Here we are back. Not far to go. Thankfully it was only round the corner. Right. By the looks of it, it wants us to crane those bits onto the roof. It looks like a structure's now been put on the roof. That's fine. I wonder, guys, if it wants us to crane them off with the vehicle or the tower crane. Let's try with the tower crane first. Not sure what that hammer is there. Oh, found a collectible. There we go, guys. So look out for spinning hammers if you're playing this or have played it. Well, that's got some serious swing on it, that. There we go. That takes some precision, guys. I can just reaffirm that again to you. That is not easy to do. Crikey, that has got some serious swing on it. Just take that nice and steady. There we go. Job done. Let's go back out and speak to our chap over here, Hape.
The supermarket manager is happy, and we've crossed one problem off our list. But I just got another call. It seems a car has slid into a construction pit. I'll meet you there.
Goodness me, guys. Okay, a car has slipped into a construction pit. Sounds pretty horrendous. But that's going to be the next job. So we will leave Construction Simulator there for the time being. So what did you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. Did you enjoy the game? Have you played the game before? PC, PS5, Xbox? Let me know your thoughts. Would you like to see some more content, perhaps? If you do, give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And all being well, we can bring you some more Construction Simulator as time goes on. But for now, I'm Ollie. This has been OD Simulation Gaming. We'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. There's Darcy saying goodbye to everyone. Bye.
Bye.